Hi, this is Jake from Cabinet Solutions, and on today's video we're going to be using face frame standards to create an applied side panel for an appliance. So first things first is let's go ahead and draw out my walls. Now there's going to be two different methods that I'm showing you today. The first one is going to be the easiest, and that's taking a base cabinet, emptying it out, and wrapping it around your appliance. In this case I'm going to be using a dishwasher. So first things first, I'm going to take a base cabinet. For the demonstration, I'm leaving everything the default sizes, but you can make changes as you need to. Let's go to my elevation screen and click on the cabinet to customize it. Next, I'm going to go to View and Delete Boards, and I'm going to delete the parts that I don't need. In this case, my center rail, my bottom rail, and my bottom. Let's go ahead and click on that to empty that out. So now I'm looking at just a cabinet with a giant drawer and a toe kick. So let's remove my toe kick using cabinet standards. I'm also going to remove my nailers and stretchers. They're probably not going to be of any use to me, or at least my nailers won't be. And toes and sleepers. It's letting me know that when I remove my toes and sleepers that there's going to be a 3/4 inch space between the cabinet bottom and the floor. Since I removed the cabinet bottom, this message does not apply to us. And go to Done and apply that to my cabinet. Next, I'm going to change the opening through Openings and Rollouts. Click on my opening, and I'm going to change it to an appliance opening with a dishwasher. That's it for this method. It's really simple. It's the easiest of the different ways because of the fact that you're just taking a cabinet, deleting a few minor parts, and changing the opening type. The next one's going to be a little bit more complicated, and I'll show you. I'm going to start with one base cabinet. Go back to my elevation screen, click on the cabinet. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete everything but both my left and right styles and my left and right side panels. So let's go to View and Delete Boards and delete everything I can. I'm going to use my center rail, my bottom rail, and my bottom. You'll notice that I'm not deleting anything else because I can modify that information through my cabinet standards. So go to Cabinet Standards. I'm not going to need my nailers or my stretchers this time. I don't need a back, and I'm going to go to my toes and sleepers and remove everything from there as well. Now there's some parts that I did miss, so I'm going to go back to Review and Delete Boards to make sure I clean those up. In this case, I forgot my top rail. So now I'm left with just a giant drawer, my left and right styles, and my left and right side panels. So let's go to my Openings and Rollouts, click on that, Opening, and then change my opening type to Open. I'm not going to be changing it to an appliance opening at this time. Once I have just my left and right styles and my left and right panels, I need to double check the width of my actual measurements. So let's go to View Assembly Sheet, and I'm going to be checking my face frame sizes. In this case, 1.5 inches is what I need for my width. The reason for that is going to be explained in the future. So now that I've got my cabinet modified with my left and right panels, my left and right styles, I'm going to make a copy of this so I don't have to do work multiple times. So click on it, go to Smart Copy, which makes an exact copy of the cabinet, and place it. Now with my smart copied cabinets, I'm going to click on one of them, and in this one I'm actually going to remove my right style and my right panel. And now Done again. And on my other cabinet, I'm going to be deleting my left panel and my left style. And now I can actually go back to my place cabinet screen and shrink these down to 1.5 inches as the face frame showed. So let's go to Edit Cabinet, change my width to 1.5 inches, and change the width of this to be also 1.5 inches. This works great now because I can go to my appliances section, select my dishwasher, and continue to place it. And now I can actually have a left panel and left style that I can place against it, or a right panel and a right style that I can place on the opposite side. both methods are very useful. This one is a little bit more useful, even though it is more difficult, because now I could save my individual left panel and left styles to my custom cabinet library to be used on other projects. And that's the two different methods for applying side panels and styles onto the sides of an appliance for Cabinet Solutions. If you have any questions or anything, please feel free to give Cabinet Solutions a call. Our phone number is 209-836-4077. Leave a comment at the bottom of this video or send us an email to support@cabinetsolutions.net. Thank you, and you have a great day.